he's just become like the star, like the gem, the genuine superstar lying in wait.
Is he good enough to start in an all-time Newcastle combined 11
No,
in the Premier League era?
No.
Let's not rule it out.
Andy Cole, Shearer,
I can immediately think of
Les Ferdinand.
I can immediately think of at least 5 strikers.
Not in terms of legacy. It's too early to say that. You're right, but in terms of talent, I think he's got talent above the likes of Les Ferdinand, Andy Cole. He could be in terms of talent. Shearer, he's got that. He has got that ability.
I think
can see him at Real Madrid
the best two that Newcastle have ever had Premier League era up front. So a Newcastle fan now will be going mad that we're not talking about Jackie Milburn. But that was kind of before us, right?
Premier League.
League era. I think that it's impossible to not just go Andy Cole, Alan Shearer, and then next Peter Beardsley.
Beardsley.
Yeah.
And then next Peter Beardsley, and then next Les Ferdinand.
When I spoke to Andy Cole, actually, he said like we kind of give him a loaded question, and he's like, surely he's going to say Dwight York here, and we're going, who's the best player you've played with? And he was like, Peter Beardsley, right away.